Z, the regular Dragon Ball Z. Live streaming. Good luck, have fun. There it is. There it is. Oh, let me take that jigsaw piece off. What the heck? You know, I am key anime. Oh, that's what's up. Oh, I don't know. I'm key anime. I don't know that. Oh well, but yeah. Oh, you know what? Another anime that I like is Blue Lock. Have you watched Blue Lock? Let's go. I make anime. You make anime? Hey, how much do you charge for that? Like, I've always wanted to make like an anime myself, or somebody that can make me anime characters come to life on videos. Do you have do you do that? Only $10? Yeah. Oh yes, I'll message you. In fact, follow me for sure so I could message you, and then I'll give you my Discord details and all that later. I for sure wanna. I'm very interested. I've always wanted to make like a cartoon of some dumb stuff, like really dumb stuff. But you know, people like dumb stuff. But I would just need somebody to help me create it. You know, like making the animes come to life. I can pretty much describe to you what I want, or in each character, and then it's just to bring him to life, and then have people make voice over them. Get some money, start making some views. Okay, give you this for like awesome queen, for sure. For sure sounds good. Got a rainbow map. I'll just keep the flashlight right now. I'm working on the gen right next to the killer. Thank you, Queen of Darkness. No. I really didn't want her to get hit in here. That's why I took both of those hits. The basement is really awful right now. She tried to unhook herself. I didn't know that guy was hiding in the locker. How sad is that? Come on, come on, come on. Hit that follow, queen. Hit that follow, queen. Don't forget to hit that follow, queen. Come on. You gotta hit that. You gotta hit that. Come on. Come down here. Come. Get your boy. I promise I will play like 007 right now. Oh hell no, I'm scared as hell. Told you I'm gonna play like 007 now. I am not trying to get rectified this game. Is he coming back right now? I need a teammate to come over here and try to heal me. I need to find a teammate. Come on. Damn. I think he has barbecue and chili. I'm not too sure. Ah man, I need somebody to heal me. Only in just $10 in each. Okay, I got you. All right, sounds good. I'll definitely talk to my brothers about it. We'll design some characters, and we'll send them over to you so that you could possibly try to cartoonize them. And if you're able to make them, start, moving and all that stuff, that'd be awesome. Need to find a teammate to heal me, bro. We are all two, except for that cop-looking motherfucker. Oh man, he got caught. That's the end of him. We're about to lose a teammate. We are about to lose a teammate. Hit the follow, queen, hit the follow. I want to hear that notification go off. Oh. Hit him with the gas. I was in the back with the last. Oh, that was good. You know what? Hopefully there's a med kit in this motherfucker down here. Oh, there was somebody up there. I probably could have got healed. I'm not trying to risk it, so. Come on. Got a little Maddie. Hopefully you can fill it up all the way. Thank you so much for that follow, Queen of Darkness. Oh my god, I'm a little scared right now. Oh, is he coming in here? Oh god. Keep in mind that if he gets me, I'm out. So I'm going back into my locker. Nice. Oh, we got a trophy. In public matches, heal a total of 25 health states. Yes. Got the trophy. Man, we gotta play like 007 right now for sure. I'm scared as hell. Come on. Let's finish this up ASAP. Let's finish this ASAP. Damn, I got blocked off. Oh man. He keeps running and leaving marks. Shit. Let's go. Oh, I think he's coming back. God. Oh Lord. I'm trying to survive right now. Come on, come on. Finish that gen over there. He's over here camping. Get that gen done. Get that gen done already. Yes. Perfect. Oh, but oh, can I hit the save? Oh, it was too fast. Oh man, I'm telling you, I'm playing like 007 right now. I'm not trying to risk losing. That's 2 down. I'm not even trying to go to an exit gate. 1 is open. That's good. I could either go to the exit gate or try to help out the down teammates, which they're still not even fully recovered yet. They're just crawling. So what do we do? There's one that got picked up. She probably had Unbreakable. Yeah, she's healing herself. Gotcha, I got you. You didn't heal. He didn't heal. I'm not gonna grab her. She's not even healing. She's not gonna die out on time, I don't think. I'm not gonna heal her. She's not even trying to heal. Hopefully he hooks her. If not, I'm gonna try to have to get that exit. Grab her already. Fuck it. She barely got picked up. I didn't pick her up because she wasn't playing. You saw that she had birds on her head. She's out as soon as she gets hooked. Oh, he might be bringing her this way. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, +1, baby. Kept it safe too. We all escaped. I thought we were goners. I thought I was gonna be a goner too. Tricky made my morning. Bullets and bullets.